Okay guys, now we're driving the Ginetta. Look at this beauty. Insane. I'm not gonna drive myself, it's a right-hand drive car, so I'm gonna be on the passenger side, but that's better because we have the exhaust right here. And how this sounds is just insane. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, the exhaust! What a sound of this is intoxicating. That is insane. I'm sure this is probably the best sounding 4-cylinder I have heard ever. By the cyclists. I'm sorry if I'm not talking much, but this car does not need any talking. Whoa. Just listen to this. Whoa. A little bit of data to the car, around 140 horsepower, 550 kilogram. This is from the year 1968, I believe. 5-speed gearbox, and yeah, obviously no electronics at all. So undescribable experience. You'll never be able to buy something like this ever again. Dry sump, yes, of course we have in this car. Double wishbone suspension.
Yeah.